so much development on especially Ethereum, right? In the world of DeFi. And like we're building real world tools that can actually really help advance our financial systems and our monetary systems and options for people. And, especially we saw this last year, the collapse of all these centralized exchanges. We're seeing some bank failures starting to pop up again. So building out these decentralized financial tools for people is so important. The world is absolutely full of opportunity. There's a lot of potential in AI. It's like having a smart friend, right? Where you can be like, hey, help me with this or that. And I think learning how to use those tools, obviously, you're going to yield the best results as well. Like one of the questions that I feel like I get a lot is like, why Bitcoin? Why do I need it? Like I've got a credit card, I've got, my bank account, I've got different things. Like, why would I need to get involved in this? And I'm like, well, you don't. If you trust that the US dollar isn't going to continue to devalue, if you trust that your bank to hold your money and to actually give it back to you when you want it, if you trust that we're not going to continue just to get deeper and deeper into debt and inflation isn't going to continue to change, like all of these things. But if you have concerns, which I think most of us do at this point, then what options do you have as an alternative to a fiat currency? And you can put your money in things like real estate or gold, but those aren't, super easy to transact with or very liquid, right? And so Bitcoin becomes a pretty clear option. The likelihood that we don't break that six-figure mark seems really low. And whether that happens this bull run or the one after, when we kind of bring the conversation back to that, kind of the crumbling of our, fiat monetary policy, it's really a no-brainer in the sense that when we're looking at alternative assets and options and things for people, the value of what Bitcoin offers is such a clear winner in the market that I don't see a world where it doesn't continue on the long term to do well. Hi, this is Lea Thompson at Girl Gone Crypto, and you're watching Think Smart Education.